In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your subreddit display name in Reddit. This is the name that appears at the top of your community and helps visitors quickly understand what your subreddit is about, so it's worth taking a moment to get it right. To get started, first open your subreddit. Make sure you're on the community you actually want to edit, not just your home feed. You'll also need to be a moderator with the right permissions to change settings. If you don't see the tools I mentioned, you may need to ask another moderator with full access to update this for you. Once you're on your subreddit's main page, look for the option called Mod Tools. Depending on whether you're on desktop or using a browser on mobile, this may appear in slightly different places, but it's usually on the right-hand side or in a sidebar menu. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools to open the moderation panel. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes settings for your community. Inside Mod Tools, we're going to focus on the core options that affect how your subreddit appears. Find and click on General Settings. This section contains basic configuration items such as your community type, description, and various appearance-related options. Take your time here, because any changes you make can affect how your subreddit looks and feels to both new and existing members. Within General Settings, look for the field labeled Display Name. This is separate from the actual subreddit URL. The URL, which usually starts with _var followed by your community's permanent name, normally cannot be changed. The display name, however, is more flexible. It's the more readable, nicely formatted title that shows at the top of the community and in various parts of Reddit's interface. Click on the display name field and now type in your new name. Aim for something clear, descriptive, and easy to recognize. You can usually use spaces, capitalization, and sometimes emojis, but try to keep it professional and aligned with your community's purpose and rules. Before you finalize it, double check spelling and make sure it still represents what your subreddit is about. After you've typed in the new display name, scroll down and save your changes. Once saved, refresh your subreddit page and you should see the new display name applied at the top of your community. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh again, as sometimes the interface takes a little time to update.